Hello guys and welcome to best memes I found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now, enjoy the video.
Znak! Dobra. No. Hey, yo, my life's like a movie, man. It's like a Uzi, jacuzzi. Get the fuck out of the way!
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
I've always wanted to try this. And today, being the hottest day, probably gonna just fall off.
NANI?!
He'll never change. Ever since he was 9, always the same. Couldn't keep his hands out of the cash drawer.
What is the password?
Shaniqua.
I gotta ask, man. What's it like living without the internet?
It's alright. I just get photos of your mom through the mail.
Bro, it's got Pringles and this thing is puffed up like a balloon. Look at this. Take a look. Fuck.
Thiago, quando você terminar de aguar essa árvore, eu quero falar com você sobre uma coisa que eu vi no seu celular.
Beleza. Já tô aí.
Thiago, você ainda tá regando essa planta?
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money.
Right, just bought a smelly thing, right? I open it. Where the fuck do they go?
No one. But if you do, he got a whole sausage in his pocket.
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
What can I get for you? Hi, yes.
One, you can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
fuck? How is it funny?
It's the final brain cell. Winnie, are you making a bed up there? You good with that?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Stop! Don't play with me right now! No! Oh, please. Lord, please.
Yeah, baby!
When you try to take a picture of the mountains, but take the ugliest selfie instead.
And we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Watch out, watch out, watch out! His name is John C.
Remember, if Earth is the third planet from the sun, then that makes every country a third world country. Until we meet again!
The hell was that?
That kills me, makes me feel alive. I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could.
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good? I was like, when the hell did I get this stack of money, bro? But it's just napkins.
The same 3 trucks with the blinkers synced. What? Aaron!
There we go.
Oh shoot, I spilled a little bit of water on my carpet. Let me go get a towel.
Give me that chip.
Oh my god, it's J Montana, man. I can't love no bitch cause I want money, yeah, I run it up. Sipping too damn much, I'm looking down, I got a stupid gut. Chillin'.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and have a good day.